Hi there, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We're going to do a really quick version of the outro from Layla. The part goes... Alright, so what it is, it's C, then to E minor, then to F, and then back to a B flat. And that iconic riff is... Alright, so what the rhythm is... So again... It actually goes, so it actually bounces on the E minor to an F, and you see how it does that? That's actually a sus2, but it just simply, it's and then it goes to this B flat. Like I said, this is just a quick video. Go back and rewind as you need. The other part is that little bridge or something where he goes... So what that is A minor to D minor, now to G, back to A minor, to a D, to a G. Alright, thanks for watching. Have fun. This is for my friend Dan, who wants to learn this. This was on his bucket list. Thanks again, and visit Newschoolpiano.